So, welcome to Tuesday, April 28th, the last Tuesday in April for this year, 2020. All right, so we have another one. Braden and Gavin were playing touch football against Cole and Freddie. Touchdowns were worth 7 points. Braden and Gavin, Braden and Gavin scored 7 touchdowns. Cole and Freddie's team scored 9 touchdowns. How many more points did Cole and Freddie have than Braden and Gavin? Show your work and label your answer. Okay, so we have our information and you should definitely reread it again. I'm not going to reread it for you because that's your job. So we have two sets of friends. We have Cole and Freddie, right? And we know that this is a key point, that touchdowns are worth 7 points. All right? And I'm sorry, and then we have Braden and Gavin. It got cut off for a little bit. Okay, so we do know this much, that touchdowns are worth 7 points. So let's go to Braden and Gavin. Their team scored 7 touchdowns. So if 7 touchdowns are worth 7 points each, we'll know our total score for their team. On the other hand, Cole and Freddie's team scored 9 touchdowns. And we know that that touchdowns are worth 7 points. So we have to figure out, if I score 9 touchdowns, how many points is that going to get me? I know that each touchdown is worth 7 points. So how do I do that? Okay. Then they're asking you a third step. How many more points did Cole and Freddie have than Braden and Gavin? Okay, so we first have to determine how many points did Cole and Freddie score. 7 touchdowns, 7 points each. Then how many, because we don't know the total yet. So how many did Braden and Gavin score? They scored 7 touchdowns, 7 points each. Cole and Freddie scored 9 touchdowns at 7 points each. Okay, so obviously their scores are going to increase, right? But we don't know their total yet. Once we get their total, then we have to figure out how much more did Cole and Freddie, how many more points did Cole and Freddie have than Braden and Gavin? All right, so you have a bunch of steps that you have to go through. It's at least 3 steps. Show all work. Make sure that you are thorough. Make sure you include a solution sentence. And make sure that you check your answer. All right, this is not as difficult as it seems. You just have to go through it slowly, deliberately, step by step. Tortoise in the hare, slow and steady wins the race. Be thorough, be careful, take your time.